Palmyra, the very first phase in Oasis by Emaar, was launched at 8.4 million dirhams and is now selling for 40 million dirhams. That means over 100% return on equity and more than 50% return on investment in just 1 year's time. You do not see this happening in real estate, not even in the stock market. Maybe in high-risk crypto trading, but certainly not in any other investment that offers both security and stability. And when you see such growth, you ask questions. Questions like what made Emaar do Oasis and what's driving the Oasis demand? How much money can investors make by investing in Oasis, and how well is it priced as compared to other similar communities? How strategically is it located, and what are the major hotspots in its vicinity? How does the community look like, and what are its main features? And most importantly, what is the best investment within Oasis? Before I begin answering your questions, allow me to introduce myself. Hello everyone, I'm Archana and welcome to Xperience Realty. You must be wondering, what am I doing in downtown when this video is about a villa community? Well, I'm here to explain the power of investing in a concept. The secret to maximizing returns in real estate by understanding how developers structure pricing, manage margins, and what is the best time to buy. And there can be no better place than downtown to help investors understand this. Every investor would love to go back in time and invest in downtown when there was no Burj Khalifa, no Dubai Mall, and prices were as low as 600 to 800 dirhams per square foot. Fast forward today, these projects are now globally recognized brands. Some of these properties are now selling for more than 7,000 dirhams per square foot. Had you invested back then, you would be sitting on more than 1,000% of capital appreciation and equally impressive rental returns. And this is not just about downtown. The story is same for Palm Jumeirah, Emirates Hills, District 1, Dubai Hills Estate, Jumeirah Golf Estates, Al Barari, Arabian Ranches, and the list goes on. Early investors saw massive appreciation, and those who waited paid a premium later. Real estate success is very simple. Buy before everyone else sees the value. When a community is just a concept, developers price it low to attract early investors. The moment construction begins with each new phase, prices rise, margins shrink, and by the time the project is completed, early investors have already made their money. For those who wait to buy ready, pay premium, and the only scenario which they make money is when the market continues to see an upward trend, which is far less rewarding than getting in early. However, at launches, you buy at a lesser prices with payment plans, which safeguards you against any market correction and fluctuation. Now today, you have the opportunity to invest in such a concept. Oasis by Emaar, where Emaar for the first time is coming with its exclusive waterfront villa community with expansive plots, a limited collection of standalone villas with crystal lagoon, which they have never done before. This is not just another villa community. This would be one of the largest single developments. What makes this opportunity even more extraordinary is the low density of villas. Just imagine, only 3,100 standalone villas spread across 10 square kilometers approximately, compared to 12 square kilometers of Dubai Hills Estate, which has over 34,000 units. Oasis is not just exclusive, it's in a league of its own. Now let's answer your next question. What made Emaar do Oasis, and what's driving Oasis demand? I took you to this Emaar villa community so that you can get the real vibe of it. Emaar is a smart developer, and just look around you. You will know why no one understands market better than them. They read the market, they study investor behavior, and they anticipate future demand. 6,700 ultra-high net worth individuals moved to Dubai in 2024 alone. which is twice the number migrating to the US and other financial hubs. 70% of global HNIs would like to consider Dubai as a place to buy their second home. It is a clear shift in where the world's wealthiest want to live and invest. And this trend, their housing demands and investment patterns have not gone unnoticed by Emaar. They anticipated all of this very well in advance and recognized that these individuals are not just looking for any waterfront property. They have very specific needs and expectations. They are moving with large families and want bigger plots. They want to live in low-density, exclusive communities. They want to be centrally located with easy access to key landmarks. They want to be closer to nature, and most importantly, they love luxury brands. They also want to be strategically positioned near major transportation hubs, making international travel seamless. Only after understanding all of this, Emaar has designed Oasis, its first ever waterfront ultra-luxury lagoon community, because Dubai loves water and so do our investors. It offers modern infrastructure, bigger plots, and exclusively limited number of standalone villas, and that too at unimaginable prices at most strategic location. We will get into every detail of this segment of luxury, exclusivity, and high-value investment in a while. Now let's begin straight with the money-making part first. How much money can investors make by investing in Oasis, and how well is it priced compared to other similar communities? The Oasis positions itself in the high-end market. To give you an idea, let's look at the prices of similar segment communities with similar plot sizes ranging from 12,000 square feet to 25,000 square feet. The villas in La Vita Mirage, Address, and Palace in Oasis have plots averaging 12,000 square feet for smaller villas, and bigger mansions or prime large villa plots averaging 22,000 square feet with 5, 6, and 7 bedroom configurations priced anywhere between 18 million for smaller villas to 27 million average for bigger plots with average built up of 10,000 square feet. When compared to similar villa communities today, none of them are selling for less than twice the price. For example, in District 1, a Crystal Lagoon community offers a 6-bedroom waterfront villa at a prime location for 45 to 55 million dirhams, while 5-bedroom villas are trading between 35 to 45 million dirhams. In Emirates Hills, villas with 10,000 square feet plots are averaging at 38 million dirhams, while in Oasis, similar sized villas can be secured for just 15 to 18 million dirhams. Large mansion plots for 25,000 to 30,000 square feet in Emirates Hills are selling for over 80 million dirhams, whereas in La Vita, you can get a comparable mansion for just 32 million. Dubai Hills Estate villas, originally priced at just 17.25 million dirhams, have now reached 65 million dirhams. These villas have average plot of 15,000 square feet, and in Oasis, you can get a 15,000 square feet average plot Address or Palace branded villas at just 27 million dirhams, that too in the best of location. Similarly, Jumeirah Golf Estate villas with 12,000 square feet plots are currently selling for 35 million dirhams and plus, while in Oasis, you can get the same plot at 15 million to 18 million dirhams in a prime location. Al Barari 5 and 6 bedroom villas at good locations have an asking price of over 40 million dirhams, whereas in Oasis, Address branded villas can be secured for just 20 to 25 million dirhams. Even in Arabian Ranches 1, an older community, prime villas with 10,000 to 13,000 square feet plots are selling for 33 million dirhams, while in Oasis, a brand new ultra luxury villa can be purchased for just 16 to 18 million dirhams. In Jumeirah Islands, 6 bedroom villas with similar plot sizes are selling for 55 million dirhams, making Oasis an unbelievable value in comparison. When Emaar announces address branded villas at just 14.10 million dirhams, I call it a steal deal. If these villas were available on secondary market today as ready properties, the entry ticket will not be less than 30 to 35 million dirhams. Which means in a scenario where market does not appreciate for another 4 years, but these villas getting ready doubles your money. Yes, in 2029, you are sitting on an appreciation of 100%. All you have to do is just wait and enjoy the journey with Emaar. Looking at the above examples, you can conclude the Oasis offers similar luxury and exclusivity at a fraction of price, making it the best value for money investment in Dubai right now. Now let's see what happens in a real market scenario. As per current trends, villa segment above $5 million category have seen more than 15% year-on-year appreciation in Dubai real estate market. If I do the calculations conservatively based on just 10% appreciation on similar villas, you will be sitting on a capital gain for more than 150%. Those who are seasoned investors with Dubai real estate market experience will agree with me. And those who don't, please save today's date, and I'm sure you will trust my calculations when these properties are handed over. This is not all based on my extensive study and real-time market experience. I firmly believe that the most likely scenario and the only one with the highest probability is that this product will not just meet but exceed all your expectations. In my opinion, Oasis has the potential to deliver over 200% returns on investments. Again, this is my personal analysis and opinion. Although the numbers, trends, and market fundamentals all point in the same direction. Invest only after due diligence and make an informed decision. Now let's look how strategically Oasis is located. Oasis is at the center of the luxury Dubai, and why I say so? Let's have a look at Dubai map. Look at this. This is Palm Jabal Ali, another icon and landmark in the making. This is Palm Jumeirah, some call it the eighth wonder of the world. Over here we have Emirates Hills, Jumeirah Islands, Dubai Hills Estate, District 1, Al Barari, Arabian Ranches is here, Emaar South is here, and this is Expo City, the new World Trade Center and DIFC-like community in the making. When you look at this entire area again, it becomes very clear that Oasis is undoubtedly the central location for entire Dubai's luxury segment. All of these premium communities where billionaires of Dubai and some of who's who of the world and HNIs live, Oasis sits right in the center. This is right in the heart of New Dubai. In addition to being located at the world's largest airport in one of the most visited cities of the world, soon to be the most visited city because operationalization of Al Maktoum International Airport, which is expected to boost tourism from 19 million to 45 million visitors over just 4 years of time. Oasis is few minutes drive away from Dubai's most significant developments, including the Expo 2020 site, world's largest international airport, and Dubai South. These developments are bound to fuel substantial economic expansion in the coming years. The Oasis has several world-class golf courses near its location as well. A great news for golf lovers. Starting with Jumeirah Golf Estates Golf and Country Club, Emaar South Golf Club, Trump International Golf Club, and the Els Club Golf Course. While discussing Dubai's most prestigious developments, it's impossible not to mention Discovery Dunes by renowned Discovery Land Company, a groundbreaking project redefining luxury living in the UAE. It's located in the Gulf District of Dubai South and is the first members-only residential community of Dubai. It has Dubai's first private Tom Fazio-designed golf course, equestrian facility, and an outdoor program featuring activities like archery and zip lining. With land plots priced up to $50 million US, it's an invitation-only project, which means buyers must be invited to purchase. Now the next question. How does the community look like and what are its main features? Diving into the community, you will realize that Oasis is not just another waterfront community. It's an exclusive branded villa community initially planned for 7,000 villas, and now Emaar has reduced the number to 3,100 standalone villas and mansions with no townhouses, no apartments within the community. Emaar has set new standards for exclusivity by designing a community that puts people and lifestyle first. 25% of the land is dedicated to lush park and open spaces, 26.8% to initial infrastructure and utilities, and 3% to premium lifestyle amenities, leaving only 45.2% for residential use. This means more than 54% of the land is devoted to features that enhance your living experience. While other developers might have used this space to build more homes and maximize their profits, Emaar chose to invest in creating a vibrant, well-balanced community for you, offering these exceptional amenities at no extra cost. This is very rare commitment to quality that truly sets Emaar apart every single time. The Oasis is divided into several clusters. So far, they have launched Palmera, Mirage, La Vita, Address, and Palace. Each of these clusters offers something unique, catering to different preferences and lifestyles. Let's start with Palmera first. Palmera was launched with 3 phases: Palmera Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3. It featured 4 and 5 bedroom villas. Prices starting from 8.5 million dirhams for a 4-bedroom villa with a built-up area of 6,142 square feet and a plot area of 8,966 square feet. 5-bedroom villas priced at 12.9 million with a built-up area of 8,321 square feet and a plot of 8,571 square feet. Next up is Mirage. Mirage includes 5 and 6-bedroom villas designed with large terraces, private pools, and breathtaking views, with prices starting around 15.8 million for a 5-bedroom villa with a built-up area of 10,225 square feet and plot area of 11,340 square feet. A 6-bedroom villa with a built-up area of 11,298 square feet and a plot area of 15,578 square feet, priced at 20.5 million dirhams. And what we see here are La Vita mansions, just 43 exclusive, beautifully designed premium 6 and 7-bedroom villas with plot sizes ranging from 21,000 to 35,500 square feet with a private pool. All these mansions are water-facing and have best water views within the community. They have the closest proximity from the central park and is strategically located within the community to have easy access to all the facilities. This also makes entry and exit easy from all the directions. And this is where the Palace and Address branded luxury villas are located within Oasis. For those who do not know, let me tell you that Palace and Addresses are the premium hospitality brands of Emaar, known for their customer service, facilities, and designs. This cluster saw huge demand and has been the most awaited. The 4-bedroom villas come up with basements with an average built-up area of 7,269 square feet, starting at 13.16 million dirhams and goes up to 15.8 million dirhams, with an average plot area of 9,700 square feet. In 5-bedroom villas, you get an average built-up area of 7,922 square feet and average plot size of 12,000 square feet. The prices range from 14.10 million dirhams and goes up to 16.92 million dirhams. Ultra-luxury 5-bedroom villas with basements in this branded cluster with an average built-up area of 10,311 square feet and 16,000 square feet plot starts at 18.10 million and goes up to 21.47 million dirhams for the prime location. 6-bedroom luxury villas with basements and built-up area of 12,777 square feet and plot sizes up to 18,000 square feet sells for 24,040 million dirhams. These properties are highly sought after due to their association with prestigious brands, superior amenities, and quality assurance, making them a secure investment option for all the investors out there. According to Xperience Realty expert surveys and real estate surveys, branded residences can achieve more than 54% premium in comparison to the non-branded stock. One more parameter on which most of the communities do not do well, but Emaar, the Oasis, has come up with flying colors is the family living concept, which includes having everything that a family requires. Facilities and amenities for all age groups. For youngsters and fitness enthusiasts, it has a long jogging track and 54 kilometers bicycle route. Of course, you have gyms, pools, and clubhouses in every single cluster. For elderly people in the family, it offers bigger plots to relax and do private get-togethers. Open spaces, parks, lush landscapes, and scenic water views are always loved by this age group. For kids in the family, Emaar in Oasis offers artificial sandy beaches, play areas, and small landscape gardens. And one more segment that is most important but always struggles to find the activity areas is the teenage group. Think of any community, families have always struggled. Growing children in their teens who always need more activity areas. They want more than just fountains and trampoline parks. In this community, Emaar acted on this valuable feedback, and in addition to the linear parks, clubhouses, they have come up with interconnected swimmable lagoons, water canals, and playgrounds at walkable distances from all the communities. This community has mosques, schools, 1.5 million square feet of retail space, retail boulevard housing global luxury brands with different food and beverage concepts. Now, what makes all the above possible is FAR, flow to area ratio. It's important to mention that FAR of 0.82 in Oasis is a game changer in Dubai's real estate market. For every 1,000 square feet of land, owners can build up to 820 square feet. This ratio is significantly lower than most urban developments, and it ensures spacious layouts and prevents overcrowding. The Oasis boasts the large plots with lowest FAR offered in the market, which translates to unmatched privacy for homeowners. It facilitates the flexibility in customization in home designs and landscaping. The potential for large gardens, private pools, or outdoor entertainment areas, which cannot be done in any regular community. Low FAR ensures that the area would not become overcrowded, resulting in higher appreciation with increasing demand along with great living experience. Hence, one can say that it's not just a community but a paradise in the making. Now the question arises, what to buy in Oasis? Well, the answer is very simple. If you have limited planned budget, then Palmyra is the only option. Not available from Emaar directly, but you can take help from your trusted sales advisor to find you one in the secondary market. Of course, it has a premium. You want to buy the house for the lifetime and won't mind spending good, then go for La Vita. Huge plots and biggest layouts. You want good appreciation, have smaller family, but want bigger plots in the best location. Do not miss on Address and Palace. This is the best location within Oasis, and you will get your property delivered when the community has taken some good shape. So with all this information, it's time to say goodbye. And now is for you to decide. Do not just watch from the sidelines and let the opportunity of the decade become regret of the lifetime. In short, opportunity is calling, and my suggestion is to answer now. At last, there is one more question that people ask me is whether to invest in Palm Jebel Ali or Oasis. Well, it needs a detailed discussion. If you have time, go to the description and watch my video on Palm Jebel Ali and decide for yourself. If you still want to get more clarity, please feel free to contact me on the number mentioned on the screen or drop a WhatsApp message on the link mentioned in the description. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Signing off, Archana Bhan, Xperience Realty.